Pops back up. It's right in through here. There's a couple spots that we can see on our loop over the past 3 hours. We got the one that's right around Hickman. We have one to the northeast of Hallam, and then this little finger that starts to spin backwards a little bit.
And this is what the weather radars look like in the last few hours. This is using GR level 3. It's free software, but it's pretty darn accurate. We're right here. All this stuff's here. Tracking north. See if we can zoom out a little bit. Shows you into Kansas here. I'm pretty sure it can go into Oklahoma too. Yep, Oklahoma down there. Just have to reload it though. But anyway, yeah, it's been really active for us, especially in the last few hours. Like I said, we're right here. All the stuff out here, they've had at least 3 tornadoes out there. Did it chirp? Okay. And we're out here again on the 29th of May, just after 4:30. We've had like 4 tornado warnings in this area here, just west of town. We got more cells headed straight up to us from that area. So we haven't officially been called out for storm spotting and everything, but it wouldn't surprise me if we get called out in the next half hour.
Report of a tornado on the ground 1/2 mile west of the Comstock Windmill Festival.
That's not good.
Copy that. Tornado on the ground, 1/2 mile west of Comstock Wind Festival ground. That is correct. Okay, North Platte weather clear. Taylor clear.
Oh, we'll keep you updated. Nothing here yet, but pretty good wind gusts out of the southeast here. Probably a good 20-25 mile an hour. I wish I had my handheld anemometer with me, but it's probably still in storage.
Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Garland, Pleasantdale, and Malcolm. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Lancaster, and Seward. Because it's just about all over the airport right now. About to come on.
far view, right?
1 mile west of Emerald on Interstate 80. Torrential rain. Wind out of the south. 7 Army in.
Our guys right next to us saying the same thing. He's okay, 1-4. Go ahead, Greg. Winds abruptly down south at about 40 years. I think he's okay, 1-4, still in hearing. Don't back yet. The babies are order JJ, careful. I'll check it out. Thank you. WB's are order JJ.
Find area that looks threatening, but it might to someone else looking at N0RHL3. Roger, it's to the west of me about to pass over the N0RHL.
Keep an eye on that, Marley. 2-1. When you see that, it's sector south.
Jet and the wind way down, and the clouds are moving from the southwest going northeast, and from the southeast going northwest. And rain was torrential, and now it has slowed down to almost nothing.
Taking a little hail.
I end up 0.22.
Up here. Still raining, and if you can see it right there, that's my pinky, but right there, that's a little bit of lowland flooding going on. It happened in the last 10 minutes. It wasn't like that 10-15 minutes ago. I think it's going to be a little bit while longer, even the radar crash. Okay, that's the first round. I saw a lot of flooding, and especially on Cornhusker Highway, low end areas. Over there, and I think it's really light. Lightning, a lot of lightning here and there, but sporadic. And I wanted to get a picture over here of the flooding over here. Cornhusker Highway on, what was it, 15th, and everything about 3 or 4 inches. Other parts of town have 6 inches of flooding just right over. So look at this. This is about 3 inches itself. And a little valley down here. Not much of a valley, and I think it's more of a small river. So yeah, that's flooded at least a foot or two. That is not normal.
About probably a minute ago, wind has reduced to almost.
Oh, there's Lincoln skyline from over here. Nice and light over there. It gets dark over here. And on the way home, hopefully for the last time for tonight, but you never know.